helpers do you remember? How many helpers do you remember? Carpenter. Nurse, washerman, teacher, postman, policeman. Yes? Alright. So, we will do something today. Alright? Okay. Come. You come. Quickly. Just stand here. Okay. Who is she? She is a, or she can be a farmer also. Huh? So, let us say she is a farmer. She is a farmer. Again, she is a farmer. Alright. Good afternoon, farmer.
Good afternoon.
What do you grow?
I grow food for us.
You grow food for everyone. I grow food for everyone. What food do you grow? What crop do you grow? I grow wheat, rice,
and
what else? Wheat, rice, sugarcane, jawar, bajra, makka. Yes? Alright, we will do it again. Ready? Alright. I have never seen a farmer. First time I am going to the village. पहली बार. ठीक है? Alright. चलो काम करो, कुछ करो. Okay. Hello, farmer.
Hi.
Hello. Alright. So you are the farmer? Yes. What do you grow? I grow food for everyone. What crops do you grow? Let's all ask. What crops do you grow?
I grow
Wheat, rice, bajra, makka, jawar, sugarcane. Huh? Yes? And vegetables?
Yes, and
Vegetables also, fruits also. Yes? And we get food. We get food. Alright?
yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Sit down with this only. Sit down. Give it to me now. Now I need somebody else. Will you come? Come. Come. Now who is she now? She is a gardener. Come on. Good. She is a gardener. And I am going to the garden. Okay? Okay. Hello, gardener. Louder, louder.
Hello.
Okay. So this is your garden? Huh. What flowers are there? Tell me. What flowers do you grow? Sunflower. Let us say, sunflower. What color is sunflower?
Yellow.
Sunflower is yellow. What else? Roses. Oh, what color rose? Huh? Pink. This gardener grows pink roses. What else? Sunflower. This. And no bela? Bela? Bela. And what else? What color is bela? White. Bela is white. So, red flowers, pink flowers, yellow flowers, white flowers. Yes? Gardener, can I take flowers from your garden? You will give flowers? No! The gardener will not give flowers. If I take all the flowers, what will happen? The garden will look bad. The garden will look bad. We don't take flowers from the garden. So just say, don't take flowers from the garden.
Don't take flowers from the garden.
Everybody. Don't take flowers from the garden. Look at the flowers.
Look at the flowers.
Be happy.
Be happy.
है ना? Now I'll ask her again. Gardener, can I take some flowers from your garden? Can I take some flowers? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you giving me flowers or no? Huh? Okay. Don't take flowers. Don't take flowers from the garden. Huh? Bolo. Look at the flowers. All of you. Look at the flowers and then be happy. Again, I'll repeat it. Gardener, can I take flowers from the garden? Just say no. Chalo. Don't take the flowers.
Don't take the flowers.
Look at the flowers and be happy. What do you do the whole day? क्या करते हो सारा दिन? What do you do the whole day? बताओ. What does the gardener do the whole day? Very good. Say it again. Suppose you are the gardener. I water the plants. I water the plants. I look after the plants. Yes, clap for her. Very good. Thank you, gardener. Sit down. Sit down. All right. Now, I need another girl. Come. Who will come now? Come. This girl. Come. Quickly. Come. All right. Come on. Okay. Now, this is the
Driver.
Acha, now let's decide. Will he drive a car? Will she drive a car or a bus? Bus? Okay. Now this bus is going where? The bus is going to school. All right. Hello, driver.
Hello.
What is your name, driver?
My name is Ramu.
All right. No, you say your own name. Apna bolo. Bolo.
My name is
Sheila. All right. Where are you going? Where are you taking the bus?
I'm taking the children.
I'm
taking the children to go
to bring the. I am driving the bus to school. I'm taking the children to school. What is the name of your school? Prerna Girls School. Acha. Can I sit in the bus?
Yes, sir.
Yes? All right. Okay. Now, is your bus big or small?
Big.
Big bus. What color is your bus?
Yellow.
Yellow bus. And do you drive very fast or slow?
Slow.
Slow. Very good. Why is the driver driving slow? So there is no accident. So that there is, so that there is no accident. Again, so that there is no accident. So the driver is driving slow. So many children are sitting in the bus. Yes? And driver is very good and very careful. Yes? So again. Okay. Are you ready in your bus?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello, driver.
Hello.
Okay. What is your name, driver?
My name is Sheila.
Okay, Sheila. What are you doing in your bus? Where are you going?
I'm going to take children to school.
Which school? Name of your school? Name of the school?
Prerna.
Very good. Driver, are you driving very fast or slow?
No.
Why? So that there is
not accident.
no accident. Thank you, driver. Is it a good driver or a bad driver? Good. Thank you. Very, very good. Give me your cap, please. Thank you. Can I be the driver? Okay, now I am the driver. You ask the question. Now you ask the question. Say hello. Hello, driver. I'm not auntie, I'm driver. Chalo, come on. Hello, girls. I am driving a bus to Delhi. New Delhi, Nai Delhi. You want to come in my bus?
Yes.
Then you have to buy the ticket. You have to buy the ticket. Now you ask me how much? How much money? Ask us. How much money? 10 rupees. Alright? You want to come to Delhi? Then come in my bus, 10 rupees. Alright. Now, should I drive fast?
No.
Why? So that there is no accident. Very good. And what will you see in New Delhi? What do you want to see in New Delhi? Big houses and buildings. Which building? Can you tell me some building in New Delhi? Big building in New Delhi? Which building? Have you heard of Qutub Minar? Lal Killa. And what else? Qutub Minar? Lal Killa, Qutub Minar and Rashtrapati Bhavan. Yes? So we will go to Lal Killa, Qutub Minar and Rashtrapati Bhavan. Alright, we'll do it again. Come on. I am the driver. Pum pum pum. Bus is ready. Hello girls. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? New Delhi? Yes, my bus is going to New Delhi. Now, ask about the ticket. How much? Again ask. 10 rupees. Okay. Alright, now come into the bus. The bus is going to New Delhi. Should I drive fast? No. Why? Why? So that there is no accident. Very good. Now what will you see in Delhi? What do you want to see? Lal Killa, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Qutub Minar. Very, very good. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. Thank you. Alright. Now I want somebody who will be a very good teacher. A teacher. Who can be a very good teacher? Come, come, come. Quickly. Come, come, come. What is this? So the teacher uses a duster and a chalk. What does the teacher do? The teacher teaches us. What subject? And history. And Acha. Now tell me. A teacher knows a lot of things. Yes or no? A teacher knows a lot of things. बहुत कुछ जानती है. Yes or no? Yes. अच्छा, if a teacher is a buddhu, can the teacher teach you? No. So she is a teacher. Now what are you going to teach? Math? Ganit? Alright. Alright. Good afternoon, Auntie.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Good afternoon, girls. Sit down, please. Alright. So, what is Auntie going to teach us today? Ganit?
Yeah.
Ganit. Alright. Now, do you remember? हाँ, क्या पढ़ रहे हो गणित में? What are you learning these days? क्या पढ़ रहे हो आजकल? नहीं, तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you learning these days? हाँ, all right. Are you learning plus minus?
Yes.
हाँ. Do you remember plus and minus?
Yes.
हाँ. She will ask you. पूछो. Do you remember plus and minus?
Do you remember plus minus?
Yes, Auntie. And if you don't know, what will the teacher do? If you don't understand, what will the teacher do? No, but if you don't understand, the teacher will come and help you. The teacher will come and help you. So, come on, try and do your sum. Write a sum on the board. Write something on the board. Something. कुछ भी लिखो. हाँ. 2 lines. हाँ. Can you do that? Now, who doesn't know? पूछो. Who doesn't know?
Who doesn't know?
Yes. Now, please go and help. Please go and help. All right. So, thank you. So, if you don't know something, the teacher helps. All right. Now, all together. The teacher teaches us. The teacher teaches us. The teacher teaches many subjects. The teacher teaches many subjects. When we don't understand, the teacher helps. The teacher helps. है ना? The teacher helps. All right. Now tell me, children. What is this? Who made this chair? Who made this chair? The carpenter made this chair. Now, chair is a furniture. So, we will just do this. Furniture. What is furniture? Whatever. Table, chair, bed. No, door is not a furniture. हाँ, cupboard, है ना? हाँ. And all this is furniture. All this is furniture. And the carpenter also makes doors and windows. Doors is not a furniture. Window is not furniture. You can't sit on the door. You can't sleep on the window, can you? है ना? So that is not furniture. That is not furniture. Alright? So carpenter makes furniture and carpenter also makes doors and windows. Now this window was not made by carpenter. No. Why? It is very good. It is made of iron. It is made of iron. So the carpenter did not make it. Carpenter makes things with wood, luckily. You understand? Yes. Yes. Now tell me, do you remember about the doctor? Doctor and the nurse? What does the doctor do? What does the doctor do? The doctor, and I taught you one more word, treat. Treat. The doctor treats when we are sick. The doctor treats sick people. The doctor cures sick people. Alright? Why do we get sick? Why do we get sick? Sometimes we get fever and sometimes we get stomach pain. Yes? Why do we get stomach pain? Because we eat wrong things. Sometimes we eat wrong things. है ना? Dirty things. Unwashed things. Should you eat something which is fallen down? If something falls down on the floor, should you eat it? No, because it is dirty. You should wash it and then eat it. Yes? You wash the fruits, you wash the vegetables, yes? And you wash your hands. Now there was a little girl who did not wash her hands. And one peanut, one mungphali, fell down on the floor. And it was clean or dirty? Dirty. She picked it up and she started eating. Yes? Now what happened? After eating, क्या हुआ होगा? चल. Pick up a peanut. Found a peanut. Found a peanut. Found a peanut just now. Found a peanut. Found a peanut. Found a peanut just now. फिर से उठाओ. गंदी सी मूंगफली. चलो. Found a peanut. Found a peanut. Found a peanut just now. Found a peanut. Found a peanut. Found a peanut just now. अब क्या किया? Ate the peanut. Ate the peanut. Ate the peanut just now. Ate the peanut. Ate the peanut. Ate the peanut just now. अब क्या हुआ? Stomach paining. Stomach paining. Stomach paining just. Why are you smiling? दर्द हो रहा है. चलो. Stomach paining. Stomach paining. Stomach paining just now. Stomach paining. Stomach paining. Stomach paining just now. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. Call the doctor just now. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. Call the doctor just now. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter just now? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter just now? Stomach paining. Stomach paining. Stomach paining just now. Stomach paining. Stomach paining. Stomach paining just now. Operation. Operation. Operation just now. Operation. Operation. Operation just now. No, no, doctor. No, no, doctor. No, no, doctor just now. No, no, doctor. No, no, doctor. No, no, doctor just now. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor just now. Bye, bye, doctor. Bye. doctor, bye-bye, doctor, just now. Right? So, if you don't want operation, you should eat clean food. Then we don't need to go to a doctor. All right, stand up, children.